Hey guys, James Little here. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the various roles of a development team. So when you're getting started, it can be sufficient just to have one developer in place. So when you grow though, there's going to be an issue where there's only so many things one person can do. They'll start to spin a lot of different plates like the networking, the security, the testing, but in reality, the roles there require separate people there once you hit a certain threshold. So this video is just going to be going through a few of those roles that I believe are necessary from our experience, and I'll just jump straight in. So first thing is having a QA in place. So QA is responsible for the testing. Next would be making sure there's a SysAdmin in place. That's really for the scalability, the networking, and the security. Having a DevOps person in place as well, that is responsible for making sure the code is properly deployed, that new changes aren't going to break existing functionality on the website. From there, having a project manager, once you start to grow that team, you're going to either be requiring to manage that full team yourself or have a project manager that is responsible for communicating with all the dev team and understanding the roadmap to make sure everyone's working on the right priorities at the right time. And from there, it's just going to be scaling out and adding additional developer resources as necessary. So it can be things like front end, back end, or full stack developers. And then more relating to, say, the design side of things, when your project starts to hit that point, then you can bring on UIUX designers and also graphic designers to make sure that new features and functionality look on brand and as expected. So one of the benefits of working with an agency is that they generally have all of those roles in place. So you don't have to hire each of those individually, go through that vetting process and trying to understand whether they know what they're talking about without just doing a test hire and hoping for the best. So anyway, I'd love to hear from you in the comments if you've had any experience with hiring these roles as your app started to scale. And thank you for watching.